Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, now let's take a look at the gold market, and the gold market situation is also very interesting. So, yesterday we said that here market could show the bounce up, and if it will reach some confidence resistance on the intraday charts, you could try to take the short position, since nature of this consolidation and how market has hit this target assumes that market should continue move lower. So now we see this, don't be confused by this candle, since this is some bug on the LPR UK data. So that's in fact the black candle should be here. Well, market now hits the 127 extension of that inner ABCD pattern, but hasn't quite reached the 1618 target of the butterfly pattern. And this target stands around 1217, 1216 area. Well, usually market, as we know, very rare left leaves some significant targets beyond it and turn to some bounce or significant retracement. Market gravitates to the significant targets and should hit it first and start retracement second. That's why I can count, and it's very risky to take any position currently on the potential bounce to the upside until market will hit this target. When market will hit it, only after that it makes sense to look at the market and take a decision whether to open the position based on the potential retracement up or not. But until that will happen, it's very risky issue to trying to possess on the potential bounce. So at least I will not even think about taking long until market will reach this area. Whether to take long position in current environment or not at all, that's a different question. But since we are now discussing the short-term setup, let's take a look how we could deal with the current price action within the trading session. On the 4-hour time frame, we have some signs of the potential retracement. Since we have here as a divergence, trend has shifted, trying to shift to the bullish side. But take a look carefully. Here we have the small bearish stop grabber pattern. That pattern stands in a row with this situation, since market hasn't quite reached the target, and it's very probable that market based on this stop grabber pattern could continue slightly lower, taking out of these lows, this current day lows, hit the 1618 extension, and only after that we'll try to make the retracement. That is what this stop grabber pattern tells us, since the target of the stop grabber at minimum taken out of these lows, and that stands in the agreement, and that corresponds with the situation on the daily time frame. That's why if we will take a look at the hourly time frame, here how it could happen. So we could get some sort of the downward ABCD action that has the target around 1217 area, right at the target of the daily butterfly pattern. So until market will not take out of these highs, it's very difficult and dangerous issue to think about the long entry and possess yourself on the potential bounce to the upside. If market will shift turn to the upside, will show us this move to the upside and erase the stop grabber on the 4-hour time frame, well, in this case the probability that our market could continue higher exists, but the existing of the untouched target on the daily time frame looks a bit not comfortable when you think about take the long position. That's why it will be most safe to skip this potential move to the upside if market will turn to the upside and leaves this target behind. That will be really risky, because you could get, in fact, you could be trapped by the opposite action if even the market will show some splash up and then turns to the downside and will gravitate to this target. So that's a really tricky situation. Well, at minimum, at least wait when the market will erase the stop grabber pattern. That will give you more or less confidence that probably market could continue to move high. The potential target, since we know that gold market likes to show the 618 retracements and usually it retraces the previous lows, it's right here, 9070 area approximately. So on the 4-hour time frame, 1270 area is this scenario of this low. So if you will take a look at the weekly time frame and see how market shows, what behavior it shows, usually market retests the broken lows and then turns to the downside again. That's why the nearest target within the current trading session is that area, if market will start bounce to the upside. But my thought again is that if any bounce will start, it will probably start only after market will hit this 1217 area of the butterfly on the daily time frame. Well, and taking the long position will be much safer if you will wait when this will happen. It not happens always, but in most cases the probability suggests that it should happen first before market will start any bounce to the upside. And trying to take long until that will happen will be really risky moment. So I just want to warn you, if you really intend to take the long position. Conversely, if you would like to trade short, well, that will be much preferable way, since here we first of all, even from the risk-reward ratio. So here you could place very tight stops, since the invalidation of the stop grabber pattern right here, slightly higher than the current market, but your target will be around 1217 area, so risk-reward will be just perfect. Well, so that's two setups that I see currently on the market, and just keep an eye on this potential development, and that's really could be the really significant bullish trap that the market hasn't quite reached the target on the daily time frame, because it could be really dramatic action for scalp buyers who right now probably already have the position on the potential bounce to the upside. Appearing of the stop grabber and existing with the untouched target could be really very unpleasant event for those who already have the bullish position now on the gold market.